everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's vlog guys, bumili tayo ng power bank and we're going to Mount Everest Base Camp. This is it. Unboxing. Ganun yun. Ano, ASMR. Mukbang. Ito ba yun? ASMR.
ASMR.
ASMR. So this is it guys. We're going to open it. 2,300 talaga siya. 60,000 mAh. Milliamp. Ano? Jem, ano nga yung mAh? Milliampere? mAh. 60,000 mAh. Yeah. Milliampere, right? 60,000 milliampere. So, this is it guys. Come. Wow, so amazing. It's so big. It's so heavy. It's 1 kilo and 200 grams. This is it. Yeah, this is it. So we're unboxing it now. Ganon sila maganon siya eh. Gagayahin ko lang. Marami silang viewers pag oh, this is the free. Ano pa naman to? Okay lang, free naman siya. Sabi yung free daw, waterproof. Ah, narinig niyo yun, guys. So, this is it. This is it. And then, oh, see? So, we're going to open it now. And then, we're going to try to charge everything. So, guys, look at my face. And then, dun ka ulit. So, guys, pag ganito pala, guys, na bibili kayo ng bagong power bank, isi 0% nyo muna siya bago nyo siya i-charge. And then, pag na-charge nyo na siya, don't interrupt. Delikado, lalo na pag may mga brownout, ganyan. So, kailangan talaga siya 0, 0, 0. And then, that's the time that you're gonna charge it. So, now, I'm going to open this one. Galing. Hindi ko ma-open. Why? So heavy. It's so heavy. It's 1 kilo eh. 1 kilo mahigit. Mas mabigat pa to sa tent, guys. Sa totoo lang talaga. Kasi yung aking power bank today is, ngayon ay, ano lang siya, ano ba to? Sealed siya. Naka-sealed pa. Naka-sealed. Sobrang bagong-bago. Kakarating lang kay Kuya Shopee. Sa Shopee ko pala to binili, guys. Dapat talaga 2,300 pesos to. Pero nakuha lang natin siya ng 1,750. Because, kasi meron tayong mga promo sa Shopee. Tapos may mga voucher. So, that's what I did. So, may discount tayo ng 6,000. Alright. This is it, guys. Open it. Ta-da! Oh my god. So big, it's so heavy. And then this one is the manual. So this is the manual. And then this is the manual pa din. And then the charger. Uy, ito lang yung charger niya, Day. Wala ko man siya imong charger, Day. Pang charge niya for the power bank. And then it's sealed talaga siya. So, this is it. Ay, wala siyang kasamang ano, guys. So, ito yung, ayan oh, sobrang new. Oh my god. Oh, see? So bago, so maganda, so pretty. At so heavy talaga, sobrang bigat. 6,000 milliampere kasi eh. Ayan oh, meron na siyang type, micro, type C, out 1, out 2. Wala pala siyang kasamang ano. Di ba yung usually siya rin merong nakalagay na saksakan or something na ano siya. Saan nilalagay ito? Ay, ito. Okay, this one. Oh, see? This is the outlets. Jem, anong tawag dito? Power outlet? So, ayan na siya, guys. Type C, micro. Ang ganda. Super pretty. You have to turn it on. And then, let's see. Wala. Ayaw mag-turn on.
Hindi pa po tayo naka-charge.
Hindi kailangan, mayroon na siya. 77% of battery. So, yung 77% of battery, guys, kailangan nyo siyang i-000% battery bago nyo siya i-charge ulit. Tandaan nyo yan, ha? Okay, that's it. Ito lang siya. And then the cord. And then the free pouch. So, ilalagay nyo siya dito. Napakaganda ng pretty niya. So, hand carry. I'm going to the mall. So, that's it for today. And thank you. Bye-bye. This is the box, guys. 60,000 milliampere. Teclast pala to. So, super heavy niya. Tekla. To you earlier. Ayan, unboxing na natin ang napakaganda at napaka-pretty. Check, guys. Super pretty. Super pretty. Ganda. 60. And then, this is the telecast. Okay. Cut. Trinay na namin yung ating charger. Dalawa na ang nag-charge for today. 77 siya kanina. 73 na lang siya now. Baka isang linggo pa to bago Just try, no? Ay, bakit may ilaw? Welcome to our YouTube channel. So, this is unboxing for today's vlog. Mag-unboxing tayo ng pang-exercise equipment. So, pang-gym to. Pang-gym. Hindi tayo mag-gym. Dito lang tayo sa loob ng bahay. Kaya tamad na tamad tayo lumabas. Dahil naka-work from home setup tayo at ayoko nang mag-jogging. Ito na lang gagawin natin, guys. Magpapalakas lang tayo ng upper body. So, we have here our equipment cut. Alright, guys. So, this is the double function or sunction sit-up bar. So, from home lang siya. And, 600 pesos talaga siya. Pero nakuha lang natin siya ng worth 250 or 260 pesos. This is it. So, may mga pagantong effect pa sila. Ayan. Alright, and this one, i-install natin later. So, we have this. Ayan. And then this one. Install pa natin. Oh my God, install na naman. But, this is it, guys. I will show you maybe by tomorrow, but not now. So, nakikita nyo naman yan. So, this is the double function sit-up bar. And then, we have another one, which is the sleeping mat. Exercise mat. It's the yoga mat. So, sa halagang 130, only in Shopee. Sa Shopee lang siya, guys. So, color black ang aking napiling color. Kasi yung pink color ko before, nasira na siya. So, this is the second one. Yarn. So, napakaganda and very good. So, let's try this para makapag-exercise tayo. Ayan, yoga mat. This is it, guys. 130 lang. Okay. So, ito na siya. Nagamit na natin siya for today's vlog. Naikabit na natin siya, guys. Ayan. So, ganyan siya. And then, ito. Ayan. Ayan siya, no? Ganito siya. Ito siya, ikupangat.
Ididikit sa side, tapos...
Oh. Exercise.
Tapos dito po tatapak.